Alright, so we just arrived at Animal Kingdom, and there's this animal keeper in here, and she's actually feeding the animals this morning. So I wanted to stop here and film this for a little bit. They're eating right out of her hand. And then them two over there are fighting for it. I'm not sure what kind these are. I don't know if they're flamingos because they're turning pink. I don't think these are flamingos. But nonetheless, they're cute and they're pretty, and I enjoy watching her feed them like this. I've never been here before when she was actually feeding them. They're very pretty.